Have you ever encountered a door being forcefully shut in your face, only to discover later that it was the best thing that could have occurred? Today, we delve deep into the art of reversing rejection, drawing inspiration from the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius. Envision a world where every no doesn't knock you down, but propels you forward. Rejection, a word that often carries a sting, can become your stepping stone to greatness. It's not about deceiving fate, but understanding that sometimes the universe's no is a concealed yes to something greater. Feeling overlooked, ignored, or undervalued, it's time to rewrite the script. In this video, we'll unravel 13 potent lessons that guide you in harnessing the power of rejection. These are not mere theoretical concepts. They are practical, real-world strategies applicable in your daily life. Before we dive in, ensure that this wisdom reaches as many people as possible. Hit that like button, ring the notification bell. Let YouTube know you find value in what we're sharing. Let's embark on this transformative journey together, ready to turn your rejections into your greatest victories. Let's begin with the first lesson. Number 1, ignore them too. When faced with the cold shoulder of indifference, don't shrink back, rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you isn't petty. It's a powerful statement of your self-worth. Focus on your life, goals, and happiness. Dive into activities that enrich you, be it reading, sports, learning a new skill, or enjoying the company of those who value you. This isn't about revenge, it's about reclaiming your energy and investing it where it matters. Number 2, don't react emotionally. Rejection can sting, tempting you to react emotionally. Stoicism suggests embracing a composed, thoughtful response. Instead of letting frustration or sadness take the lead, step back and ask yourself why it bothers you. Mastering calmness in the face of rejection is transformative. It's a journey towards self-confidence where you learn to value yourself independently. Number 3, remove them from your mind. When confronted with rejection, mastering the art of detachment becomes a powerful tool. Acknowledge the rejection, feel its impact, but don't let it anchor your thoughts. Picture rejection as a detour sign guiding you towards new paths and possibilities. Engage in activities that enrich your spirit and broaden your horizons. Surround yourself with positivity to create an environment where mutual growth thrives. Number 4, demonstrate your value. Rejection is a litmus test for your resilience. Instead of succumbing to self-pity, channel that energy into constructive action. Work on projects highlighting your skills and offer to lead new initiatives. Your value isn't diminished by others' oversight. It's an opportunity to shine brighter undeterred. Every setback is a setup for a comeback, creating a success story where rejection is a redirection towards a more fulfilling path. Number 5, cut off contact. Silence isn't just the absence of sound. It's a powerful tool in your emotional toolkit, especially when dealing with rejection. Embrace silence as a boundary for your mental peace. It's not about playing games. It's about regaining your power and recalibrating. Your silence is active and strategic, showing you respect yourself too much to chase or beg. Number 6, prove them wrong. The art of using rejection is about proving to yourself what you're truly capable of. Use rejection as fuel for growth, silently building a fortress of competence and self-assurance. Let your results speak louder than words. Silently revolutionize self-improvement as a crusade for personal excellence. Number 7, go out and have fun. Embracing joy strategically builds resilience when faced with rejection. Counter the instinct to withdraw by deliberately seeking out joy. Engage in activities that uplift your spirits and reaffirm your place in the tapestry of human interaction. Step into the unknown, turning rejection into opportunities for growth. Number 8, Build your social status. Turn moments of rejection into catalysts for personal growth. Focus on self-enhancement and community involvement, weaving a tapestry of meaningful relationships. It's not about climbing a social ladder, but climbing your own ladder of self-development. Share your journey not for applause, but for connection, contributing to the greater good. Number 9. Act as if they don't exist. Sometimes the strongest response to indifference is a quiet one. Redirect your attention to those who value your company. Maintain professionalism in unavoidable interactions, keeping conversations brief and focused on business. This approach keeps you grounded, moving towards better opportunities and healthier interactions. Number 10. Give them the silent treatment. Choosing silence in the face of indifference is about maintaining your dignity. Use silence for self-reflection and emotional mastery. It's not about provoking or manipulating. It's a tool for reinforcing your character and aligning your responses with your principles. Number 11. Don't beg for attention. In the face of indifference, the Stoic way isn't to beg for attention. Anchor yourself in your own self-worth and independence. Engage in passions and pursuits with a heart full of self-sufficiency, building a life independent of others' perceptions. Number 12. Be kind, but emotionally distant. Respond with kindness while keeping emotional distance. Protect your inner peace by greeting moments of indifference with a composed heart. Maintain emotional distance to uphold your dignity and self-respect, demonstrating wisdom and integrity. Number 13. Don't reveal your struggle. The art of maintaining composure in the face of indifference is about internal resilience. Continue with your life with the same vigor and determination as before. By not revealing your struggle, you're embracing the Stoic philosophy of emotional resilience, managing emotions in a way that maintains your dignity and self-respect.